the people on the route to help, okay?
Today we are at one of the local schools with our Chili Drive Respect the Road programme. Here to talk to young people about their driving experiences, about staying safe mainly on the roads. Unfortunately, so many young people are still dying on our roads, being seriously injured and causing the deaths and serious injuries to other people and other road users. So we're doing something about it. We're gathering statistical evidence to show that young drivers are at greater risk on the roads than other drivers. Our programme involves our crash car simulator that we're putting them through today as we speak. Hopefully the young people will go away from today's programme with a very positive experience. That's the important thing from this programme. It's all about positivity. It's getting young people to think for themselves when they get out on the roads, to make the right decisions and hopefully to make the roads a much safer place for all of us.
I think it's really what a car crash would be like.
Smoke and siren lights.
Flashing lights and smoke and the hydraulics are going crazy.
I thought it was very realistic of people that age.
How scary a situation like that would be.
It's not a situation you ever really want to be in.
Yeah.
She was only on her phone for 7 seconds and then she ended up killing 4 people. And it just really makes you think when you're driving to kill your speed because it can cause so much harm to so many other people.
The idea of having Chill Drive here with us today is getting the message of road safety across. On our Portadown campus in the last number of years we've lost some students to car accidents and we really want to get that message across to students in an interactive way. So the car is really the best way to hit home with that message.
We believe passionately that young people need to be educated about the dangers of driving while distracted. Autoline is very much focused on meeting the needs of young people as they take to the road as young drivers and trying to help them and equip them with the best possible tools to be safe drivers for the future. Year 13 students, after the presentation and the experience in the simulator, reported that the experience had stayed with them when they had been in cars as passengers in the following weeks and months.